Hi everyone. Today we are going to make a logo something like this one in Adobe Illustrator, and it with some very basic like tool we are going to use. If you have no experience at all, you can also just follow that steps which I am going to show you, and you can make that logo with some modification according to yourself, and just use that logo in your organization or in your university or school as well. Just let's get started without wasting any time. Hi everyone. Today I'm going to make one educational logo. Okay, first what you are going to do, you will going to come here in you are going to hold and you are going to click ellipse, and here you are going to make like one circle, and you should need two color, one fill color. You can see that fill color and the property should be here. Okay, the outline should be like something I need orange, and we are going to just increase the its pixel. Now you can see it has been increased. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just change it a little bit like that color, and exactly it looks good to me. Now what else I'm going to do, I'm going to just make another circle from the center maybe, and you can check here we have like something like this one, and I'm going to just decrease its outline to 5 pixel. Maybe I'm going to decrease that as well to 6 pixel, and we are going to center that one something like this. What else I need to, since I'm going to write Jamshed Academy, and therefore I'm going to just make one another circle and just need the outline for that one, and maybe the outline should be like that, and I'm going to just press that type, and you have type on path, you are going to click on that one. Once you are going to click on that one, I'm going to write Jamshed, maybe all capital letter, Jamshed Academy, or Jamshed Educational Academy, and I'm going to just press Ctrl A, and we are going to change the color should be like white, and I'm going to just decrease its like size of that circle and increase the font size, and you can see it looks like that one. And now once you have done everything, here you have some pointer like that. You are going to bring that pointer somehow to see and adjust everything. And how about just I'm going to write Jamshed Academy. Yeah, it should be like that one, and we are going to just adjust the size of that, and make sure you have perfectly add that one, and now it looks good. But maybe I'm going to use Helvetica font, and it should be like bold. Yeah, that is what I need, and we are just going to bring that to maybe that to this top center of that logo, and yeah, that is what I need. Okay, now I'm going to just copy that and control C, control shift V, and rotate that exactly to the bottom. And now what I'm going to do, I'm just bring that, I'm going to bring that letter to the upward direction. For example, I'm going to just, okay, you have that middle like line, that one. You can see you have to select your move tool, and you are going to move it to inner part of that circle. You can see we have inner part of that circle, and you can change like its direction, something like that one. And I'm going to control shift Z and double click, Control A, free, and I'm going to write free educational resources. Control A, and we are going to just decrease its like font size, maybe like that one, and now we are going to adjust a little bit its position as well. Now you can see something like that. And what else you need? For example, if you need some circle or some icon, you can just bring from here a star. Maybe we need a star, and same star we are going to Control C, Control V, and it will bring it here. And you can see we can just add here. If you need to align that one, just align, and it is aligned. Yeah, that is aligned. But I need in the center something should be written, but and I'm going to write like a text. You can write anything, and it should be like capital J. And I also need to change it as a bold and bring it here, maybe white color. Yeah, it is white, exactly white. Yeah, it is white. And I need one more rectangle, and it should be like that one, maybe like, yeah, I need like that one. It should be, the color should be, somehow we should need, that should be a blue, and the anchor point, I need that anchor point to be here, and that here, maybe that here, and that here. I need some sort of shape like that one. I want to create a cape. But let me just see, uh maybe that tool we can, yeah, I need to just adjust that. Arrow key, we are going to use arrow key, and you can see it is coming exactly what I require, like for example like that one. And if I'm going to just change its direction a little bit like that, and make it center, make it that to center like this, and also that 2 point to be like center. Oh, that 2 point, and also click shift to select both of the point, and okay, I need that point and that point to be center. Okay, now need that to be a little bit like that one, and now exactly I need that, and I need one like rectangle, more rectangle, and you can see it looks like it is a cape. And what I need, I'm going to select both of that one, and in Pathfinder we are going to just merge everything, and I'm going to bring it here like that, and just it should be like a cape, and we are going to change the color to be like that one. And I need to adjust a little bit. Yeah, that should be like that, and I can change its direction a little bit, its size maybe like that one, and maybe I can just change it like that. And what else I need one simple rectangle here as well, like that one, and something like this one. Arrow key, with the help of arrow key I have just adjusted everything. What do we need else? I need maybe a polygonal, and maybe I can just draw randomly something with that point, and with that pen tool. Okay, I'm going to just just randomly I can make, but you can make anything whatever you want. I just randomly created that one like that. Okay, now see, we are going to select that one exactly, and also that point and that point, and just merge the path. And I also I'm just pressing, holding down shift button and pressing the object which you want to select both of them at the same time. Okay, now group, you have grouped that both, and maybe in the center we have created that like this one. And what else you need? Maybe you are going to bring that like star here, maybe 3 stars here. It seems good. Or if you don't want, then you don't need to just take off all of that information. But I want to just add one more thing. Okay, what I am going to do, just bring that to circle. I'm going to change its color. Maybe outline is not here, and I'm going to make a wreath for that one. Okay, yeah, now in path you are going to just come and click that intersect part, and you get that one. And one simple option I'm going to bring, like holding down alt and taking that here, and white color, I have selected white color. And next we are just going to make some adjustment. Now we are just going to adjust a little bit that one. Control alt, you have to hold down alt and bring it like that one into center, and just subtract that in as well. You can get like that part of your logo. Now little bit rotate that one, and control C, control V. Now right click on that, transfer and reflection. Now you have that reflection like that one. Okay, now I got like that. What I need to just we are going to compound that both. Now it is one object, and make it a little bit small, and I'm going to copy that circle, control C and control shift V, and don't need the fill. Okay, and also I need only, we are going to just increase the size a little bit, and maybe I'm going to just make it down. Now what I'm going to bring it here, like in completely at the bottom, and we are going to like do it like that one, and maybe we are going to adjust the central part, zoom tool, and we are going to just bring that. Yeah, that is exactly what I want. Okay, now what else you need? You need to just a little bit decrease the size as well. I need that to be decreased. Now you are going to take the rotate tool, and we have here rotate tool, and you are going to just hold down the center part, cancel. I am going to select the rotate. Once again I'm going to click the rotate tool, and we need the center part of that one. Okay, the center part of like that circle, and here you have to like smart guide is okay. It is now like adjusted, and we need also smart like we need, and that should be okay. Now you are going to click on rotate tool, and you will find that you have that center point here. Okay, then you are going to click on that center point and hold down Alt and just drag that here. Now you are going to just press Ctrl D and it will duplicate every part of that one. Now if you need, for example, like that one, now what I'm going to do, just remove that part, or you are going to select holding shift down and just click every part of that one. And once you have just selected that, then you can just group every element and group that, Ctrl G, and now just press hold down and bring that here, and now transfer. You are going to reflect and vertical that one. Okay, now what you are going to do, bring that one as well here, and maybe you are going to delete that part. Okay, now you can see you have that logo, and maybe we are just going to increase a little bit, and also we don't need, for example, that part. Double click and delete that one, and maybe that part, going to delete that one as well. And on the top we need one more, like double click on that one, and maybe I can just make one, and we are just going to make one free path, like with the help of free path we can make the top of that one as well. Now something like that, and we can increase the size, and here you can see the difference. Okay, now what I'm going to do, just copy that, hold down Alt and reflection horizontal vertical, and just bring that as well here, and we are going to just group all of that object at the same time. And you can also do one thing, you can just remove, we can just experiment with that one. If you are going to like remove the border, and you can see how it looks like, and if you don't need, for example, that circle, complete circle, and for example you have that like text, you are going to change the text, and that text as well to something else like that one, and just decrease the size of that, and you can see how it looks like. You have different option, for example. Okay, now for example I'm going to change that color star of the color as well, and here is where you are going to see different sort of like logo, or maybe you are going to just take it to the side, and you are going to just select every logo and take it to the side of your, like for example, document, and maybe you are going to delete every part of that element, and you are going to change that as well, and the color of the text as well. Now see, here is the star, and here is the different stars which you are going to change the color as well. And maybe I'm going to just decrease the size of that wreath, and it is how you are going to see. Maybe I'm going to delete that part as well, and just select every object, and we are going to change the fill color to like blue, and maybe I'm going to group that all part and change that something like that one. Now it is what I'm going to see. Now you have like different option how you are going to get your logo. That is one sort of logo, and that is another part of logo, and there is two variation where you are going to give that variation to your client, and the client will see that which one is good, and if they want different modification they can also do that as well. I hope you got the idea how you are going to make the logo in Adobe Illustrator. If you have any question, just write that in comment box below, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing video. Thank you everyone. Goodbye.